Sherman McDaniel is no stranger to flying, and she's no stranger to getting bumped off of a flight. She has a ticket to board.
It's irritating. I mean, when you schedule your flight, you schedule your time.
The government is looking at new rules that could benefit travelers who get bumped. Right now, airlines have to pay up to $800 to ticketed passengers who they can't find seats for and who didn't volunteer to change flights. The federal government is looking at possibly raising that maximum to $1,300. McDaniel says it's about time.
The airlines know how many seats they have. Don't sell more than you got. And if you do, then I should be compensated.
But airlines argue they have to sell more seats than they have in order to make up for passengers who don't show up. The number of passengers bumped in 2009 was up 10%, and in the first 3 months of this year, that number was up 17%. Those changes are part of the government's effort to look out for air travelers. Officials are also considering a rule that would let passengers cancel their reservations with no penalty within 24 hours of booking a ticket. The changes could be a tough sell for the airline industry. The Air Transport Association's president said in a statement he's still studying the government's proposals. Airlines protested the last big change, which allows the government to fine airlines that leave flights stranded on the tarmac for more than 3 hours. Passenger groups and airlines have 60 days to comment on the new proposals. The Obama administration expects they'll become law sometime this fall. Joel Brown, CBS News, Washington.